good afternoon, everybody. This is Eva from Focus Machinery again, and I'm going to introduce our waterproof belt conveyor. This is one of our customer from Australia. He used in the vegetable factory. So this belt, we call it waterproof PU belt. Customer can wash it down directly with water. And let me introduce the details to you. Because a customer need to convey some vegetables, which is the annual vegetable, and so some of them are sticky. So we need this scraper to scrape the belt so that clean the belt to some extent. And this motor, we use IP66. It's a water resistant. Customer can push it down directly with water. And also, our customer need to use 3 e-stop, emergency stop. One on the left side and the other is on the right side. And the third one is on the control box. There is a lip here to prevent the water. Also, he needs double layer control box also to prevent the water drop. Details inside. This side we can open it easily because we use this knob. Just need to switch it and then open and close it again. We use this border because it's very convenient for people to clean the gap between the border and the belt. Because our customer need to clean the back side of the belt, so we made the window on the conveyor frame so we can open it and then close it down inside. We can check it inside very easily. This wheel, the height is adjustable, and this wheel can adjust the direction. It's very convenient for a worker to move this conveyor and adjust the height to some extent. So that's all. Bye.